Stop speaking all that Spanish stuff, mate. This is Inglaterra. This is not.
Inglaterra.
This is Inglaterra, mate.
Inglaterra.
You're not in La España. There's no paella around here, mate. It's fish and chips. Thank you. Yo no soy gringo. I'm making a joke,
Ya ahora, mira cómo hablan.
Yes, YouTube, man. Today, I've got some maintenance to do. I got some coolant in there, some engine ice. I got a new. The most important thing that I want to do right now before I ride is I've got a new air filter, foam filter. We'll oil that up. Before that, we'll give the bike a little spray down. It's not too dirty, so I'm just gonna spray it up a bit. I haven't got a cover for this. Like, I haven't got a cover for my foam filter. Usually you should cover your foam filter so that you can open this up and have a box. But because I don't have that, I just put a plastic bag over there, you know. So yeah, let's get it a little bit clean first before we start working on it. I almost forgot this comes in handy definitely for the exhaust. Don't forget these. Oh, sorry Leo. Got my nephew there, spraying up my nephew, didn't even see him there. Got the dirt bikes. Yeah, where you going? Where you going, bro? Okay, so time to open up our box of goodies. Gotta keep your bike running nice for a long time. You need to do this maintenance. It's only little things, but it does the job. There we go, this is what I wanted the most. This is what I wanted right there the most. New foam foot. My one looks roughed up, man. My one looks like it's got holes in it, everything. I'll show it to you lot in a sec. I've got a new oil as well, but it's not time for that. Usually I change the oil with the filter or clean the filter at the same time as the oil. So I'm not doing that this time because I literally just changed the oil. But next time we'll do both. And then some engine ice coolant. Might not change this today, I might leave this for another day. Okay, we've got the 10 and we've got the 8. Pop that off. So yeah, it's not too bad to be fair. But there is, oh no, there we go. I thought I forgot, I was like, what? Did I forget that this wasn't that nice? There you go, that's why I'm changing it. I don't like the look of that being ripped like that. That's gotta go. Okay. This one's gone. I'm not using that again. I can get it thrown away. In fact, let's put it in the box. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to clean around here as much as you can. And don't be like me, I'm impatient, I just want to go ride. Take your time and do it. My one's quite dirty. Let's go get some water on this. So yeah, usually what I do is I put it in this bucket and I fully drench it. Some people just sprinkle it around and squeeze, but yeah, usually I just fully drench it. But I'm not gonna lie, this come in a whole bag. I'm thinking I'm just gonna use the bag because I haven't got a lot of oil in this to cover the whole bucket. This bucket's too big. You want a smaller one really. So we're gonna start like this. That's the foam filter I use. Go on. Now you know what, that's gonna make a mess. I'm doing it this way. But I'm not gonna drench it fully. I wanna do the other way. Put it in a few places. And one tip I've got, if you don't know, is yeah, you squeeze it in, but never like wring it and twist it, because it will it'll start breaking the foam. So we just basically massage that in, squeezing it. You got me? Squeeze as much harder as you can. A little pat down to dry it so it's not too wet. Good to go. Now some people grease around here so that it properly sticks, but I've also researched apparently the new ones you don't have to do that now. These new bikes are quite good, apparently they just lock in, but you can throw some grease on that still if you want. Pop that in nice and good, just make sure it's on that good. We're good to go. And then yeah, you can obviously see which way it goes back in because of the shape. So I'll pop that in. Nice and easy, so we don't rip it off them plastics. Go on. Stop speaking all that Spanish stuff, mate. This is Inglaterra. This is not.
Inglaterra.
This is Inglaterra, mate.
Inglaterra.
You're not in La España. There's no paella around here, mate. It's fish and chips. Thank you. Mm. Huh? I said, I'm only joking. I'm only joking.
Bicycle.
Yo no soy gringo. I'm making a joke, a joke.
Y ahora, dije que yo no. Mira cómo habla la.
We've got petty, we've got some petty. We've got enough. Right, I ain't trying to get left on the road. Second thoughts, I'm taking no risks, mate. I ain't trying to get stuck in the street with no petrol, bro. Then we definitely ain't getting away. That day, like, hates me, boy. He told me to stop riding my bike 1 million times. Yeah, so we got a little new air filter in, but I definitely need to do more maintenance on my bike, man. I'm trying to learn as much maintenance as I can, and any little bits, you know. Right now, my front wheel looking a bit buckled still. But yeah, last time I rode, I felt one thing that I liked about my wheelies last time, man, because you know it's another week, we're on a little wheelie practice. One thing I did like about my wheelies last time, there was a few wheelies I've done that was like proper low revs, man, like lower revs than ever before. And I was like, oh okay, now I'm realising that, let's say I was to do that in first gear, like I understand how they get them slow wheelies going. Yeah, that front, is it my imagination that front wheel looks dodgy, man? Not that clear. That's alright, we'll work with what we've got. Buddy, I'll work with what we've got.